Welcome, Halon Elsa.
A morning light warms joyful, playful hearts. Storybook weaves magic and cozy glow. Snowy path holds love's gentle steps. Ice sparkles shape joyful winter art. Snowflakes dance under tiny curious hands. Ribbons braid laughter in cozy night. Smiles greet bustling town with warmth. Ice sprite sparks giggles in palace. Plush toy brings joy in shop. Sunset cradles peace in snowy meadow. Flower dusted giggles bake sweet memories. Runes glow softly in misty woods. Lullaby soothes heart in icy crib. Waves bid farewell at sparkling harbor. Dolphins leap, delighting sea-bound hearts. Warm sand amazes tiny exploring toes. Coral gleams in magical air bubble. Jungle path hides joyful surprise reunion. Market hums bid vibrant island life. Waterfall echoes with laughter and love. Bonfire sparks tales under starry skies. Sisters share whispers in lantern glow. Sunrise paints peace on sandy shore. Sandcastle rises with splashing happy hands. Sails carry hearts toward twinkling home. Gates open wide for warm embraces. Home rings with joyful welcome dance. Snow falls softly on love's embrace.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the videos to help our channel grow even more. Thank you so much.